Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Tractor Supply. So let's dive in. Alright, so right next to the door we see these little decorative pieces right here. I've seen a lot of people have these at their farms, but they are discounted a little bit in price. You can see down to 200 bucks. So if you're interested, great time to grab you one of those. It also has some of these little windmills right here. Some of them have different little decorations, little ducks and roosters and stuff. So another cool decoration for your house. They also had this like freeze dryer here. You could save 100 bucks off of that. So if you're going to be, getting a lot of items, this is probably a great thing for you to be able to freeze dry some of your food. They also have the edger here for 100 bucks. Husqvarna attachment. I hadn't seen a lot of these on sale recently. Here we have another attachment for the pole saw. 150, so you get to save 50 bucks on that one, so still great deal for that. And Husqvarna is a great brand. I have a couple of their tools. We saw a couple of these on sale earlier in the month, but some of these are still on there. You can see this one for the trimmer. That's the hedge trimmer, Black & Decker there. We also see the DeWalt string trimmer on sale here, down to $209. So again, DeWalt's a great brand, one of the best brands here, especially at Tractor Supply. Then you can also get the little combo here for $319. All right, $320. Get saved a pretty good bit right there. And again, that one's going to do a good job for you. I really like that blower right there. And we also have another hedge trimmer here, 200 bucks. So again, you get the whole setup there in DeWalt, 22-inch. Knock that out. And then also the pole saw. We saw one earlier, but here is DeWalt's. Also comes with the whole setup, battery, and charger. Then we have the chainsaw here. We'll see some more DeWalt deals in the video, but we have multiple chainsaws. We also have the pruning saw. It's a little bit smaller here, 200 bucks. Great thing. I use these all the time, cutting up stuff. This one's even 180 at my store, so check that one out, maybe yours. Then DeWalt little pruning shears as well. And then you can see this one right here, free DeWalt battery with purchase of a chainsaw or pruner. So check that one out. And just a reminder, I will have links for some of these items down below. You can check them out down there. Champion, a little shredder, 600 bucks. Heavy duty chipper shredder there. Definitely think it'll do a good job for you. Here's a few more DeWalt deals. Check some of these out here if you need some of these little options for some of your sockets. Great little socket set. They also have some batteries here. 160. Pretty good prices for some batteries right now. And then another setup right there, the battery and the charger. Also the impact driver there, 240. Yeah, that one's going to do you a good job. We saw the pruner earlier, but you see this right here again for 200 bucks. Another setup with the drill driver there. Then we have a little ratchet set. Nice right there with that one. Some of these are not exactly listed. I will say there were a few things that were out of order while I was there. I did grab as many deals as I could. I talked to someone, they were actually still setting out as much as they could, but they had a lot of stuff just kind of in there and in the mix. So still cool stuff, good stuff here. Then we see the Hobart welding wire. We saw a lot of these on sale recently, and I'll have a few more of those just to show you. Got the grease gun here from Makita. So you can see that one, 18 volt right there. So solid setup. They had a bunch of these Makita items on sale. Right next to that we had a little starter pack with the battery and the charger. So if you have some tools, great time to grab you all that stuff. Had the Dremel Multimax here for $109. So again, it has the plug-in version there, but still a really great option. And you can see that one had it down to $229. So even cheaper. I also had a little bucket cover, 24 bucks. It's a great little setup for DIYers and stuff. Job Smart, we've seen these on sale, but pretty good deal with that one. We have a couple more DeWalt smaller tools, even the Job Smart blades right there. And I like this little small setup right there for Job Smart. Great thing for the house. Even some heat shrink tubing, and even some chameleon right here, and then a little place to test the temperature. We also have some Porter cable tools. Again, these are great DIY brand, very similar to Ingerson or Rand here. Again, similar stuff, good solid DIY brand that'll last you a long time and do a good job. Little Job Smart inflation gun, $9.50. We also have the impact wrench here from DeWalt, $100. And then, like I was telling you, the Hobart, just all this stuff right here, filler metals and stuff like that. They had a bunch of those. Another option right here for the ratchet wrench. See that one, $65. They also have a little cart here, a little welding cart with cylinder rack for $50. Then they had a lot of cleaning stuff. You can see the wet and forget for inside. They also have some for the shower here. You can see some of these. Again, same stuff like that, a little bit smaller bottles. And then they also have the outdoor stuff as well. So again, whatever you might need, great setup right there. Save you a little bit. And then they've had a lot of these flashlights on sale. The last few times I've been there, not exactly sure why, but they're just trying to move these. So if you need a couple flashlights for the house, great thing to grab. And they also had a bunch of these light bulbs still on sale. So I don't know if these are like specialty light bulbs that are going out of style or what's really going on, but you can see all of these on sale right here. So if you need any of those, great time to snag you some. We have the Mystic Grease, $3 off of that. Great thing to check out there. We also have the ratchet tie downs for $30. The Traveler brand, pretty heavy duty ones right there. Then they did have their chickens, or little chicks, in stock. So they had multiple different types and kinds here. So if you're in the market for some chicks, great place to go ahead and grab some. This is actually where we got ours from, and they've been doing great producing eggs, and 4 or 5 out of the 6 are still alive, which is great. I'm not sure if I've ever said that on the channel. Something did end up getting one. Had the Field and Stream, a little digital timer here, a little battery charger. See a bunch of these on clearance since deer season is over. Turkey season is still here, but deer season has winded down. And then a couple more deer items right there for hunting and stuff. More cell cams and trail cams. Muddy there and stealth cam. I have a stealth cam. I like it. Works really well. They have 25% off these seeds. So if you're going to be starting your garden here soon, I want to check these out. Have gardens, food, and also just every kind of thing like that. They do have buy one get one free select groundwork garden tools. These are just some of them. You can see these are pretty small, so just keep an eye on that. Corn feeder, $3.50. Field and Stream right there. And this is again my favorite place to look. In just like the little bins here, all these different type of items. It did say $4.99 and up. I'll try to find you a couple of the cheaper items, but most of them are just normal price. Still a great thing for any like DIY option, or if you just need to do a simple task, go ahead and grab you some. They also had some of these signs, which are really cool. So, but again, the tools in here I would recommend for just a couple different things. Probably not going to do a great job at your job or using them every day, but if it's just something you're going to need, once a time, I think it's a great thing. Like these little small screwdrivers right there, great thing to pick up. We might have to grab some of those because our son has broken his glasses about 6 or 7 times now, and so it's kind of tough trying to put those back together. So you need the right tools for that, or whatever you might need some of these tools for. Again, just a great thing to use a few times, or just to kind of keep in your truck, keep in your pack. Again, some DIY stuff. I think it's a great option for that. Got some rubber mallets here, different ones there, different setups for those. Got some straps and even some stuff for fire safety. Great thing to keep in the shop, or again even in the house. So that's a great thing to keep an eye on. More DeWalt blades here. A little flashlight. Again, a good thing for working in the shop. More tape measures here. Even some hose clamps there. Rechargeable fan, great thing for just small usage. All kind of stuff right here. You see all these things. Like I said, it was just all mixed up today. They said they had a lot going on when I talked to them, but a bunch of knives were on sale everywhere, kind of all throughout the place, which is really cool. So if you needed any knives, it's a great place to check out there. And you can see some of these bigger ones as well. Here's another solid one. Even some of those pliers working on the fence lines and stuff. But like I said, they just had a ton of different knives all throughout here, which was really neat. And then you can see some of the prices. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. None of them are really on super clearance or sale, but it was good deals. And just a reminder, I will have links for these items down below. You can check them out down there. Also, if this video has been helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. The next set of bins here, you can see some of these more knives and just other fun stuff. I really like these tactical bits. Again, I think I've said that multiple times. I'll have a link for it if you guys are interested. But it's just a fun little way to keep your bits there. And a little tactical clip. I'll show you another setup of that in just a moment. I have another fun way to keep up with it. But you can see some of these. And then different ones here. Even the little anchor rings and different blades and some snips and lights and all kind of other stuff. Just a bunch of random cool stuff in here I really like. And then we have some more Febreze and even the little screwdriver sets there. And even more screwdrivers here. Another one, again, I was talking about the drill bits. Fun little one right there is the bucket. See the little screwdriver or the bits in there. And then also, I think these are just fun. Just little teeth right here for different bit sets. And then more knives. We saw a bunch of these earlier, but all kind of knives. Just all kind of stuff. It's crazy. Even a couple different flashlights here. Really good deals on those. I like those. And then more toys and different stuff like that. Have a little flashlight slash fan. And even some more, just fun stuff there. See more of those bigger blades there. You can see that. And then more knives and stuff. So all kind of just random stuff here. Again, fun thing I really like to look at. Like I was saying, they had some good deals on those and some good options, but they're not really great deals right now. They will have better deals and stuff like that that kind of run at different times. So I'll keep you updated. And this one right here just has some toys, outdoor items. Some bait traps there. Even right there, some dental stuff for dogs and more grilling utensils. Fun little grilling utensil set there. Also some toys for your animals. You can check some of these out there. And more little treats and stuff for pets. See that one. And even just some more toys and stuff. So just a bunch of random stuff right there for your dogs and your cats and other animals like that. Then we also see the last side right here. Got some socks. You never know when you might need some of those. More hot shot stuff for your pests in your that you don't want in your home. Then we have some other gardening tools, even the chicken gardening tools. They may be a fun gift for mom or something if they like chickens. Then more stuff for just watering, little pocket hoses there, little fly traps, and other just fun little stuff for your pets, treats and dog pets and stuff like that. So different random fun stuff right there. Like I said, they have a bunch of different items for all different type of pets too. We don't really have too many pets that I'm going to be buying anything for, but you never know. You guys might have plenty of them. More fun stuff here for them. Then we got the wind chimes on sale. So you guys know, I know a lot of you are fans of wind chimes. You can see some of those right there. Good deals on that one. They also have 15% off home decor and furniture. Had a lot of nice stuff in there, outdoor and indoor furniture. So whichever one you might be interested in or whichever one you might need, check that one out. And also 30% off Columbia. So they had a bunch of different hats and clothes for sale. I was checking those out. 50% Eddie Bauer. So again, Eddie Bauer still rocking it in there. Cool stuff when I was a kid. They also had 25% Carhartt short sleeve. So again, you can get some solid deals on those. See some of those examples right there. Also had 25% off of The straw options for the Yeti right there. So again, a great gift. And then outside, they did have some of these Cub Cadets on sale. So with grass season here, great time to check some of these out and see if you need them. But some good deals on those. Get to save $200 right there on that one. It's a really solid deal. But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Tractor Supply. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. I will have some links down there you can check out as well if you're interested in purchasing some of these items. But thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to let them know down below. And I'll see you in the next video.